roots. That's good. We can plant more. Hi, I'm digging for the potatoes even though I don't feel good.
Are you finding any?
Nope. I'm lucky, but I found a worm.
Okay, well let's come back here and rake off some more hay, see if you can find some. Here, let Dad help you rake some hay off.
Yeah, just like that. But you gotta push it a little harder. See? Oh, there's a right big one. Try right in there.
After this, it's Mommy's turn. Go. Three baby potatoes.
Let me see. Okay, there's a few more.
Follow me and I'll show you how many potatoes. Look at this one. This one's large.
Right there.
Roots. That's good. We can plant more. Which hopefully just is not as many as we planted. Just
Jackson.
Ooh, Jackson.
where?
Right in front of your foot. Folks, hey, we are digging our potatoes that we planted on an experiment, the Ruth Stout method of potatoes. To be honest with you, as of right now, I'm not the least bit impressed. Don't know if it's where this was brand new soil, we had never worked it, but so far, everything has been super small and far between. But with that being said, we've had a lot of rain this year. This is not fenced off, and we've had a lot of animals in here, and I've seen different potatoes dug up and laying on top of the ground. So, but size-wise, I'm not really sure I'm going to do this. We have a long way to go with the digging, but we'll see.
Hi. Humongous. Alien tater. Angel tater. Lady tater. I actually made a game out of this.
Did you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There should be some more across through there.
Little green spikers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Here's another one right here.
9.
I wouldn't even pick them little babies up.
Joe, put them in the basket.
9 taters. Not more than 9 taters. Here, let me count and I tell you. You got probably just a dozen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Tommy. Right over there should be one pile.
42 taters.
42 potatoes, wow.
Take that hay back.
43. I missed one.
Okay.
43 taters so
Should be
far.
right in there somewhere. There's another one.
If I'm not mistaken.
Okay, folks, we dug everything but about 15 feet of potatoes. And this is what we've got. That is a huge disappointment. But, I mean, we got several really good sized potatoes. Had conditions been better, and we had at least half of them like this, we would have had a fantastic harvest, but we didn't. So, I've got my scale sitting down here, and it's on 0 right now. So, let's see what we got. 22.14. The basket weighs 2 pounds, so we got right at 20 pounds potatoes. So, we're, I would say minus 50, but considering the fact that we could get some more, say minus 45 pounds. Just ridiculous. So, my opinion, as of this experiment with Ruth Stout gardening, it was not a success. Hopefully, if you try it, you'll have better luck. But it wasn't great conditions. A lot of rain and a lot of animals. But I'm going to try it again. It just sounds too good to give up on. But thanks for coming along with the adventure, and we'll see you on the next video.